Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your headset model, the phone or PC OS version, and the Oculus app build. These facts guide fixes. Once done, back up important app data and sign into the same account on both devices. Connect headset via USB or ensure stable Wi-Fi, then reboot both devices. Make sure to grant required permissions when prompted, because missing access is a common cause of failures. Now move directly to targeted repairs. Next, perform the complex middle steps. Clear the app cache, and if problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the latest official Oculus app build. While reinstalling, update GPU drivers, Windows or Mac OS patches, and your phone OS. These dependencies often cause incompatibility. Collect Oculus diagnostic logs from the app settings to identify errors, and if you see persistent profile or pairing faults, use the headset factory reset as a last resort. Keep your login ready. Finish by repairing the headset, signing in, and launching a simple demo app to confirm services, purchases, and streaming work. Once confirmed, review performance, update graphics settings, clear saved downloads, and let the device index content. If things go wrong, check router DNS, firewalls, and VPNs. Network blocks are common culprits, and then capture fresh logs with exact timestamps. If unresolved, contact support with your logs and a concise list of steps you already tried, so they can act fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.